there's no more missing someone, and missing someone.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'll be sharing with you how I make my glueless wigs with the ear tabs already cut off. Yes guys, this wig fits snug on your head without any glue. You're welcome. If you haven't subscribed, please remember to hit the subscribe button, click the bell icon also to turn on your post notification. And yeah, let's get right into this video. So what you need is a spandex dome mesh cap. I got this from my local beauty supply store, and this is just to ensure that the cap fits snug on your head. This part is very important, guys. Please pay attention. Instead of laying the frontal flat on the cap like this, we'll be doing it a little different this time. The ear-to-ear measurement for my client was 11.5 centimeters. So I'm just going to take 1 inch of both sides of the 13x4 frontal. And this is how your frontal is going to look after you've taken 1 inch off both sides of your frontal. Then I'm going to place it on my mesh cap and make sure that it is symmetrical, lined and in the center of the wig. So if you're new to my channel, hi, my name is Terry and I'm a YouTuber and a hairstylist based in Accra, Ghana. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on your post notifications, like this video, comment down below and everything else they always ask us to do. I post a video or two every single week, so don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Then I can begin sewing down the frontal to secure it, also sewing down the left and the right sides of the frontal. Please comment down below if there's absolutely anything you don't understand up to this point, and I'll get back to you right in the comment section.
Ah ouais, les gens n'aiment pas les gens, mais les gens avancent. Laisse pas le parrain m'accepter. Le retour en force de Jeff Bobo le Bango.
Using these 8-inch bundles in the back, I'm going to do double, and then some single track, and then single tracks until I get to the top and I meet the frontal, and then finally close it off. So once I'm done, I'm going to cut off the excess cap underneath the frontal. Side note, guys, please check out my business page at Slayed by Terry on Instagram if you'd like me to make a wig of any type for you. I do deliver internationally, so please do check out my page. Thank you. For styling, I'm using my heat protectant spray and argan oil serum all over the hair before I start to apply any heat to it. I'm also going to be using my hair wax from AFRIKREA. I love AFRIKREA hair products. Oh my god, especially their hair mask is amazing. And then I'm also going to be doing a little plucking in the front of my frontal. If you'd like an in-depth video on how I do this, please leave it in the comment section down below. Let's chat, let's get to know each other. Comment down below. Drum roll! This is how the frontal looks on my mannequin. And this is how the frontal looks on my beautiful model. As you can see, this wig fits snug. If this video was helpful to you, please don't forget to comment down below. Let me know and tag me on Instagram if you do try out this method, and I'll see you in my next video next week. Bye.